How can I organize notes in Google Docs? Are you a teenager looking to get your notes in order? You might be wondering how to make the most of Google Docs for your schoolwork. Let's talk about some simple ways to organize your notes effectively. First, start by creating a new document in Google Docs. Think about how you want to set up your information. Using headings is a great way to separate different topics. Google Docs offers heading styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2. You can use Heading 1 for main topics and Heading 2 for subtopics. This makes it easy to navigate through your notes later. Next, consider using bullet points or numbered lists. Bullet points are perfect for listing key ideas, while numbered lists work well for steps or processes. Breaking down information into smaller pieces makes it easier to read and review. Another useful tool is the table feature. You can insert a table to organize different categories, such as vocabulary, important dates, or formulas. Each column can represent a different category, keeping your notes neat and focused. This is especially helpful for group projects, as it prevents overlapping and keeps everyone's contributions organized. Color coding can also help your notes stand out. Highlight important terms, dates, or concepts in different colors. This visual cue makes it easier to find key points when you are reviewing your notes. If you like to include visuals, Google Docs allows you to insert images, drawings, links, and even emojis. These elements can make your notes more engaging and help you remember information better, especially if you are a visual learner. For ongoing projects or tracking study progress, you can add drop-down menus or checkboxes. This feature allows you to track what you have completed and what still needs work. It keeps your notes interactive and aids in time management. Lastly, if you are working with classmates, take advantage of Google Docs collaboration features. You can share your notes, comment, and edit together in real time. This is perfect for group study sessions and helps everyone stay on the same page. In summary, organizing notes in Google Docs involves using headings for structure, lists for clarity, tables for categorization, color coding for emphasis, and interactive elements for tracking progress. Adding multimedia elements can also make studying more effective. These strategies will help you stay organized, save time, and improve your learning experience as a teenager managing schoolwork.